Lana Tabor with Spellbinders, and welcome. We are playing with Spellbinders card kit of the month for October of 2023, of course. Happy October, everybody, and let's see what's included in this phenomenal kit. There is just a lot of goodies in here, and when I first opened this kit, I couldn't believe how many good stuff is hidden in this kit, and so many things that you get to do with this. I mean, look at these phenomenal stickers. I am just so blown away by how much stuff is in this kit. You have card bases, card panels, different card stocks, pattern card stocks, different ephemeras. Phenomenal. Look at these stickers. I am just so blown away by this. You have also some clear ephemera here, and of course some double-sided tape and awesome foam squares. So we're gonna make some very cool stuff here, and stick around to see what we're gonna make. And now we are creating boutique cards. So what are boutique cards exactly? Boutique cards are considered all those cards that have a lot of white space on them and not a lot of elements. So this is what I am trying to recreate, or just simply create, by adding all those beautiful ephemera to my card bases that came in the kit, and just simply gluing them on. These card bases also have a little bit of a pattern on them, which gives them that little sophisticated and more expensive look. Next, I picked up some white card bases that came with the kit, and I just want to create a little scene with these cute little elves going down the hill. And you can create a lot of cards like this in just a second. Next, what I have for you is, of course, A7 cards. I cannot help it. I have to make a couple of these. I picked these beautiful houses, and I think this cannot be better and more appropriate for Christmas. Next, I grabbed the same set of houses and some sentiments, but this time I'm going to add a little bit of that blue Distress Oxide ink to the card, just for some interest and just to make it a little bit different than the previous two. And that's it. Another 4 cards done in no time. And now, last project for today. These are going to be little card sets that I absolutely adore making. And one thing that I always have to have in my stash. So I have already prepared my card bases and my envelopes here. For these envelopes, what I used are these old, very old Spellbinders dies. These are from forever ago. I will link down in description below the name of these. I am honestly not sure if you're going to be able to find them. I believe they've been discontinued for quite some time now, but you might be able to find them maybe on eBay or maybe Facebook Market or something like that. But these are the die, especially these little guys, like the envelope die. this is something that I've used over and over again. I even made thank you notes for my wedding with these. That's how often and how special this die set is to me. I use it like when I say a lot, that means I mean a lot. And they make perfect little envelopes here. And I always use them to make these awesome card sets that I like to give away for Christmas, for birthdays, for anything really. All I do, and this is really important to know, whenever I'm making this set, I always use watercolor paper because there's really nothing on these cards but paper. And I want these cards to be really special. And what I like to do with these type of cards is just add one simple image to them. I already separated some of these beautiful images or beautiful ephemera that came in the kit. And all I'm going to do is use my liquid adhesive. That is my favorite way to glue elements on my cards, and simply glue it to my card. I like to add a sentiment, and that is it. Just wanted to tell you that you will get 2 of each image in this kit, so you can create a lot of different cards and a lot of different patterns. And of course, you can use these beautiful critters for scrapbooking. And I think this is what makes this kit so special, because it is extremely versatile and you can do whatever you want with it. Now, this is what I decided to do because I love the way boutique cards look. Always loved that look. And I don't think that cards need a lot of elements on them. But of course, you are more than welcome to modify your cards however you like. And if you wish to add any embellishments, you're more than welcome to do so, as well as decorate it with some stamping or some ink blending. Okay, let us recap and see what we created today. We made this cute card. Then we made, oh, I love this. Maybe I could add this little twinkle there. I think that'll be appropriate. Let's see what we can add. That is so cute. I love that. Awesome. Oh, this is so cute. And I am gonna go and make it maybe magical. Just like this. There we go. Adding a little tiny last touches. Merry and bright. This one is very pretty. Magical holidays. This one doesn't need anything. And we can add a little couple of these here. Special delivery, perhaps, and a little ho ho ho. Look at that. I think that's very, very, very cool. There we go. Those are our cards that we made super fast. Next, we have A7 cards. There's ones that we added a little bit of blue and without blue. We have this one with blue and this one without the blue. And you see how pretty that looks when it's so much white space there. You don't have to add a lot of things there. And last, we have our beautiful little sets of these pretty cards. And I cannot have enough of these. I'm loving these. These are just my absolute favorite. I love how these turned out. Look at them. Look at them all. I think that's adorable. Such a perfect set to give to someone for the holidays. Look at them. We made so many different cards in such a short period of time. I cannot be more pleased with this kit. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you all so much for being here, for watching me create. Thank you, Spellbinders, for giving me an opportunity to create and play with this card kit of the month. I absolutely love it. And thank you all again, and I will see you soon with another video. Thank you all. Bye.